208 As a result of tourism, many historical buildings and sites are being damaged beyond repair. What could be done to prevent this? The preservation of historical buildings and sites in the face of tourism-induced damage is a pressing challenge that demands a combination of proactive measures, sustainable practices, and responsible tourism management. One crucial strategy is the implementation of strict conservation guidelines and regulations. Governments and heritage authorities should establish clear frameworks outlining the permissible activities and visitor behavior at historical sites. This can include restrictions on touching, climbing, or other actions that could contribute to physical wear and tear. Signage and educational materials should be strategically placed to inform visitors about the importance of preserving these sites and the specific rules they should adhere to. Education and awareness campaigns play a pivotal role in preventing damage to historical buildings and sites. Tourists should be provided with information about the historical and cultural significance of the places they visit. Promoting a sense of responsibility among visitors regarding the preservation of cultural heritage can lead to more respectful behavior. Tour guides, both on-site and online, can play a crucial role in conveying this information and fostering a culture of responsible tourism. Implementing controlled access measures is another key strategy. Authorities can limit the number of visitors allowed at a given time, especially in sensitive areas or those with fragile structures. This approach helps prevent overcrowding, which is a common factor contributing to damage. Advanced reservation systems and timed entry tickets can be effective tools in managing visitor numbers. Technology can also be harnessed to protect historical sites. The use of virtual reality, augmented reality, or interactive exhibits can provide tourists with immersive experiences without physically interacting with delicate structures. This not only enhances the educational aspect but also minimizes direct contact. In conclusion, preventing the irreversible damage to historical buildings and sites caused by tourism requires a comprehensive and collaborative effort. Combining regulatory measures, educational initiatives, controlled access, and technological solutions can create a sustainable framework for tourism that respects and preserves the world's cultural heritage for future generations.